Hello everyone, welcome to SS Multimedia and this is Harshita Shishala. You will be learning to edit on iMovie today. So iMovie is an editing app that is found in many Apple products. And today you'll be learning to edit on iMovie using an iPhone or an iPad. So today I am using an iPad, but the layout for both of them is the same. So let's get started. Before you do anything, you want iMovie downloaded. It's usually pre installed, but if it isn't, then go to the App Store and download it. So then you can open up iMovie and you will see the projects folder. So if you created any projects, your existing projects will be right here. And if you haven't, then you will see the plus symbol that's on the left side of the screen, and that is used to create new projects or to edit new or more videos. So what you want to do is click on the plus symbol because we want to create a new project. And then at this point, you will have two options, either to create a movie or a trailer. In a movie, you combine videos, photos, and music to edit a video or create a movie. And then a trailer, you're going to follow a template to create a Hollywood style movie trailer. So today we'll be creating a movie. So click on movie. And this is what you will see. So any photos or videos that are on your device. So here I have a few videos and photos. So you can just click on it, and once you click on create movie that's on the bottom, it's gonna add it and you can edit that photo or video. And let's just say that you have a lot of videos and all of them have the same thumbnail. Then you can go to the video section that's on the left side. So you have media, and then on the bottom you have moments, and then there's video. So you can just click on it. Then what you can see is preview the video. So you can just drag it across. So you can drag it across and see what each video is about. And then let's just say you want to use that video, then you can click on it and you'll add it. So I'm just going to choose the two videos, and here I have this. So before we learn about cropping and splitting, let me tell you what's on this screen. So what you see. So on the top left corner, you see the done button, which is used once we're done with the project. And then there's the help button. So let's just say you forgot what each thing is for, then you can just use that. And then there's the project settings, which has filters like comic, black and white, ink, and others. And I don't like to mess around with the theme and the other ones, but if you do, you can do it. You can explore it. And then there's the media on the right side. So it's kind of like what we saw while creating a project. So we have moments, so which has all videos and photos, and there's videos, so just your videos, and then photos, albums, and backgrounds. So we'll be going over these backgrounds later in the video. And then there's files, so which are from your iCloud. And then there's audio. So there's media and then audio. So iMovie has a built-in soundtracks and sound effects, and I really like using them. So when you click on the soundtracks, you see you have a lot of songs to choose from. And then there's sound effects, so there's a lot of those too. And then my music is any music that you want to add. And then on the left side in the middle, you see a mic button and a camera button. So the mic is used as a voiceover. So if you want to add something like over here, you want to say like, share, and subscribe, you can use the mic button and click on it, and it will record whatever you're saying and add it to the video. And the camera button is used to take a picture or video right at that moment. So it's not saved into your photos. And now let's look at clicking at cropping and splitting and duplicating a clip. So what you want to do is click on the video, whichever you wanna. So I have two, so I can click on any of them. And if you've noticed, when you click on it, you'll see two yellow bars that those are on the right and left side of the clip. So that is used to crop it. So you can just drag the yellow bar right and left. If you want to make it shorter, you can drag it left side or right side. And that's how to crop it. And then let's just say that you want to split a clip. Then on the bottom you see a lot of or few features. So you see action, speed, volume, titles, and filters. So when you click on actions, on the top you see split, detach, audio, and duplicate. So you can just click on split. And what split does is it turns one clip into two. So let me click on it, and there you see that this was one clip before, but now it's two. So that is split. Now let's just say that you want to detach audio because you want to delete the audio or you want to do something else to it. So you can just detach the audio and you'll get the audio on the bottom. And then there's also duplicate, which is to duplicate your clip or your audio. Now let's just say that you want to change the location of your clip. So what you're going to do is click on the clip, pick it up, and then you can just move it in places. So you move it up and then you take it left or right. So it's your choice. So that's one way to change the location of your clip. And then there's deleting clip. So let's just say that you split a clip and you don't need the rest of it. Then you can just click on it, and on the bottom corner, so right side, you will see a trash can or a delete, and you can just click on it to delete the clip. So you can delete it. And let's just say that you did that accidentally and you want that clip back. Well, don't worry, because you can click on the undo button that's on the right side, and it's right under audio. So it's like an arrow pointing left, and you'll have your clip back. And now let's look at speed. So once you click on the clip or video that you want, you'll see actions and then speed. What speed does is it changes how fast your video will be. So you can make it faster or slower, your choice. And then there's volume. So that's on the bottom too. And you can make it so that your whatever you said in the video isn't audible at all. So you can do a voiceover, or you can make it so that it's higher because you were speaking very soft. Then there's the titles. So any video that you have, you can add titles. So we have different ways it's gonna come. So there's slide, split, chromatic, standard, and there's more. So you can use whichever one you want. And then there's filters. So what filters does is it changes into only black and white, or it changes into blast. So I can click on it, or blockbuster, and there's a whole different ones filters that you can use. So I just kept it on original right now. Now we'll be looking at transitions. So whenever you have different clips, you always want a smooth transition. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the two arrows that's in the middle of a clip. So it's highlighted. And now on the bottom you'll see 6 options. So there's no transition, there's theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, fade. So we can look at each one of the transitions. So dissolve, we can just click on dissolve, and then it dissolves. And then there's slide, so that's slide. And then there's wipe, and then there's fade. So you might be wondering what's the difference between fade and dissolve. So in dissolve, it just dissolve in fade, it turns from one clip to black screen, so like this, and then it moves on to the next clip, and there is no black screen in dissolve. And then there's also an option that's on the top that asks how fast or slow you want your transition to be. And it's your choice on how fast you want it to be. And that is transitions. So now we will look at backgrounds. So we want to click on media. That's right beside audio. And when you click on it, you'll see moments, video, photos, albums, and then backgrounds. So you can go ahead and click on it. So here you can add backgrounds, so different backgrounds. So there's just plain color, so solids. And then there's also gradients. I really like using gradients. And then there's also a few patterns. So let's use one of the backgrounds. So here I have a background. Let's just say that you don't want to use a blue and a white gradient. Let's just say you want to use something else. Then you can click on the right side of your preview video and you'll see a color button. You can click on this and you'll have two options because gradient uses two colors, and then you can click on it. So you can either choose from colors, or you can use spectrum and choose whatever color you want, or you can use sliders and your choice. So I'm just using this. And then you click on the second one too to change the bottom color, and you can choose whichever color you want. So that is how you do backgrounds. And you can use the backgrounds to add titles and add music and anything you want. So that was all for this video. In this video we learned how to edit on iMovie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe.